This is version 2 of my lighting system on the Kyosho Blizzard SR. Before I had a spotlight on it, but I changed the spotlight to a much stronger one. This is a Cree XML T6 light made for a bike actually, and it's advertised to have 1600 lumens, but that might not be right, but it's probably over 1000 anyway. I'm using a different mount. I've mounted dual aluminum plates on the inside and outside of the roof for greater stability, and I'm using a different pan and tilt system, which in this case also has a 260-degree rotating servo, which is much greater travel, and it's specifically for first-person view type cameras and things like that. I've also added some rotating beacons, and I took the light bar off, but all the LEDs are still on there. I put some different holders in there. Anyway, we'll see what the lights look like here in just a second.